Hi loves and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ugo and I'm here today with another lit tutorial. Today I'm going to be featuring the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. This has been going around the internet, everyone is using it and I know I'm late, blah 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 blah, but yeah, I had to go get this from someone. I am not on a PR list yet, but we're hoping to get there soon. But I got this from my friend Layefa and I decided to go in with the blue, hence the blue background. And so this is going to be the theme of today's makeup look. And yeah, I'm just gonna really speed through my foundation routine and all that, and I'm gonna jump right straight into the eyeshadow because that is why we're here today. Anyway, before we jump right into this video, make sure you subscribe to your girl's channel because I judge you and I know that you are here for me and you love me. So why not just subscribe? Subscribe to your girl's channel and do not forget to click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a lit video. Now we're gonna jump straight into the video. I do not feel like packing my hair because I just spent forever straightening the hair. So we need it to, so I'm just going to stick to, flipping it back and stressing myself all through this video. Anyway, my skin is already prepped and primed. I primed with the Younger Beauty Prime Matte and I put some of the TM Essentials illuminating oil in L on my face just to make sure my foundation goes on smoothly and nicely. So for foundation today, I'm going to be going in with a mixture of the Black Opal Even True foundation and I'm going to put in some of the Melanie Mills Hollywood in Deep Gold. I just wanted to dip in my foundation a bit. I'm just going to mix that on my Nuban plate. This is more hygienic than mixing it at the back of my hand. As we blend, let us, So for those of you that don't know, I am launching my own makeup brand. My foundation is on. Next, I'm just going to contour and highlight. For highlight, I'm going to use my Kevin Aquan concealer in the shade SX10. So this shade is actually a little bit too light for me, but I work it out because I do cream contour. But the funniest thing, I am so scared of my launch. I'm scared. I hope people will actually buy my product because obviously my name is Ugo. I'm a makeup artist and I know when something is bomb or not, and I can confidently say my pencils are bomb.com. Now I'm just going to take my Black Opal stick, this shade Al Chocolat, and I'm just going to contour my face. I always connect my contour highlight like that, but I don't do the third one. After all that contouring, I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender and just push it in. Next, I'm gonna use some Huda Beauty powder to set my face, my under eye. So I just go straight in and set like first to set those lines, and then I keep pressing it. And then I'm gonna set my forehead. I'm gonna dip into that powder. I'm gonna use it to set my whole face as well. Because there's no time. I just got powder in my mouth. I'm gonna do some brows on camera. If you guys also want a detailed brow tutorial, please let me know. I'm using the Bomb Brow Dark Brown Pencil and I'm just going to start off by brushing up the brows. So I'm just going to trace my brows. That's a good brow day. So next I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions, mini palette, and this one is the one with the blue thing. I'm gonna go in with this blue right here, and I'm gonna put that on my eye. Oh, that's a beautiful color. And I'm pressing that in with an Echo Tools brush. Wow. Now we're done packing on that blue. I'm just going to go in with a Morphe M507 brush. It's a really tiny blending brush. Still going back into that blue. And I am just going to blend the blue, I'm just going to blend. Just going to lift it up a bit because I want it to be like smoked out. So I'm going to start like that and just start blending. Like this. Now for the outer corner, I'm just going to go in with this dark blue right here. And I'm just going to dip in the outer corner, outer part of the blue. Next, I'm just going to go in with a clean Morphe brush and I'm just going to blend. Blend the edges, blend everything together. Blend, blend, blend. And this is me still working with one shade of blue, mind you. one shade. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with this blue right here and just, you know, regret. All right, next we're gonna move on to, no, for now I think I want to line my eye. So for lashes today, I'm going to be using the Rubella Cosmetics lashes in the style, I cannot pronounce it, this is Kia Keke Yama. Sorry. Okay, while that is drying, I'm going to take my Binwa Cosmetics eye pencil. I'm just going to put that in my waterline. Next, I'm going to go in with the blue shadow, the matte shadow, and I'm just going to smoke out the lower lash line. Now, I just hope after I put lashes, everything is just going to be good because I am not, you know, attached to this eye anyway. I'm like, no, this was not the plan. The plan was cute blue. Lastly, after all that confusion, I'm going to apply some lower lash mascara. Next up, I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and I am going to contour this face. Permit me, but I cannot see. Ooh, going to contour the jaw as well, which I always do. Next for blush, I'm going to take my Sleek Makeup Blush in the style Life's a Pitch NARS brush. And I'm just going to pitch myself up. You guys know I love blush. I'm going to be making use of my Nibam Beauty highlighting palette, which is the Nibam Beauty The Glow Highlight Palette. I'm going to go in with the Nibam Beauty highlighting brush as well. This is like a gold shade and this is like a rose gold shade. They are the names Starstruck and Gleam. So I'm going to first take a bit of Starstruck. I'm going to take a bit of Starstruck and get Starstruck on this cheeks. I'm beginning to feel myself a bit. Yeah. And I'm mixing a bit of Gleam in it. Gleam has a bit of pink. And then for the brow bone, I'm going to go in with the same shades and just oof. Now to just give my glow some more oomph, like I'm not glowing enough, I'm going with the Nibam Beauty The Glow Loose Highlighters, and this is in the shade Men. I just dip a little bit and I just dab that on. Like I'm barely touching my face, barely. Can you see the immediate glow? Next for lips, I'm just going to take this Jordana pencil and line my lips. My loose highlighter just fell, but I'm going to act like nothing happened. Nothing. Next, I'm going to take this Huda Beauty liquid matte in Crush, and I'm going to just put that on my lips. I don't want too much, I'm just really blending it in. I want something more brown, so instead I'm going to go in with this MAC lipstick in Crimson Nude. Yes, that's the small one I want. Next, I'm just going to take my RLG Cosmetic Lip Gloss in Crystal and I'm going to just dot on some glitter onto my lip. Yes, you can really see it on camera. Wow, it's such a pretty gloss. Now to set my face, I'm going to use the Nibam Beauty Silhouette Makeup Fixing Spray. To give myself some glow, I'm going to go in with my TM Essentials Hydrating Facial Mist. This takes you from matte to dewy. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys finished or go complete your words. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I think it is out of my comfort zone. I blended eyeshadow the way out. I do not blend eyeshadow like this. Normally my eyeshadow is just round and doesn't come out. You know, I don't cut anything out. Everything is just inside the safe zone. But I think this is pretty okay. This is okay. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned a thing or two. I hope you guys enjoyed I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. It was quite I was really trying hard to like make this work, so I wasn't my most playful self. I noticed that I was concentrating so hard, so everything could just look nice, and I was trying to line my eye, and I was trying to do a small wing, and the small wing turned into a big wing. Like, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to follow @Binwa Cosmetics on Instagram. I will leave it somewhere here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye. Love you. Mwah.